Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the access ramp that the government wants to build from Mandela Highway into Portmore. Now Trans Jamaica Highway has said if the government builds this ramp, they are going to take them to court. Now, Trans Jamaica Highway operates the toll road that takes you into Portmore from Marcus Garvey Drive. It's a Portmore Expressway. So when Trans Jamaica Highway was given the concession to collect toll on the road, it was said in the contract that no competing road should be built. Now, this new ramp that would take you from Mandela Highway into Portmore, Trans Jamaica Highway says would be a competing road. And so they would enforce the concession agreement that they got, or right. And they say they will take the government to court. And I'm just going to read you a quote. He indicated as well that if the government should go ahead and add a new access road from the Mandela Highway to Portmore, it could face legal action. We believe that any new access road like that, and the road would be somewhere out here now, this section of the highway of Mandela Highway, somewhere out here would be built going into Portmore. We believe that any new access like that would violate the existing concession agreement and make up eligible to make a claim against the government of Jamaica. So that is what Trans Jamaica Highway is saying, re the building of the new ramp. Now the ramp, which will be a 4-lane highway, two lanes in either direction, from Mandela into Portmore. And it's not going to be a toll road. It's going to be a free ramp. So there clearly some more discussions need to happen between the government of Jamaica and Trans Jamaica Highway. Now, I don't know if they were to make it a toll road, I don't know if that would help, because then people would still be stuck on Mandela, which is a free road with access into Portmore. Now, when Mandela Highway was being expanded, as you can see, it's 3 lanes in this direction and 3 lanes in the other direction. The same issue came up, and I think it was resolved with the government of Jamaica having to pass new laws. I'm not sure the exact details, but it was resolved. And Trans Jamaica Highway said that they saw a decrease in the toll usage when this road we're looking at now, Mandela Highway, was expanded to 6 lanes. So it's this definitely, actually, I think it's out here the ramp would be, this section that we're at now, and go across on the left over to the Aki village and come out somewhere out there in Portmore. Now this ramp that you're looking at now on the left is what takes you onto Highway 2000, which is the toll road that takes you from where we are to now Mandeville, but it's going to be expanded to Montego Bay and Negril. And it is Trans Jamaica Highway that has a concession to collect toll on that road also. The only road in Jamaica that don't have a concession to collect toll on is Highway 2000, which takes you from Mandela you will see the entrance in a little bit, all the way to Ocho Rios. That one the toll is collected by a Chinese company. So now we're coming up to the turnoff to go into Portmore. So if you're traveling this way into Portmore, you don't pay toll, it's free. But there's so much traffic. Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, and the majority of the traffic goes into Portmore. That's why they wanted to build an access ramp to allow easier access into Portmore. But as we said at the beginning of the video, Trans Jamaica Highway says if you do it, we're going to end up in court. So we will keep you guys updated to see what happens with this issue. But the access ramp is needed. Without a doubt, it is needed. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And the ramp would actually take you and drop you somewhere in this area. Now we're going to pass the Aki village on the left. Alright guys, this is the Aki village on the left coming up now. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. That's it on the left. Remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.